Office in Norman has issued a tornado warning for South Central Millwood County in northern Oklahoma, North Central Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles northeast of Orlando, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lake McMurtry. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 178 and 183. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.